Producing beautiful work like this takes a lot of skill, a lot of time, and a lot of experience. I was trained by 3 of the top professionals in our industry, and this is what I'm able to produce. I really love what I do, and I have a lot of patience for delicate work, and it always shows up in the final product. I find taking my time and doing those little extras makes the job look phenomenal. I'm very proud of the work I'm able to produce. There's no better feeling in the world than knowing that you've done your absolute best to make a vehicle look amazing. And I can't thank my customers enough for their heartfelt reviews. I take the same care at every aspect of the detailing process, because every step you take is equally important to get the results that the customer wants. I use very thorough and very delicate processes in every aspect of my detail. The techniques that I have created are the safest and most efficient way I've found for cleaning your vehicle. I find focusing on one aspect at a time gets me the very best results. And I take my time and make sure that every aspect of the job is done properly and to the best of my ability. Whether it's bringing back the clarity to your headlights, restoring the luster back to your faded mirrors, or returning your rims to a showroom shine, we make your vehicle as clean as possible and leave it smelling fresh with our ozone treatment. When we can extend our award-winning service to customers that win their own awards, that's a fantastic feeling. These are some of the vehicles that we've been very proud to work on over the years, and a lot of them did have different issues with them. So whether you're dealing with tree sap, road tar, brake dust, fallout, any kind of contamination on the vehicle, spills inside the vehicle, whatever you're dealing with, please reach out to us first and let's see if we can help you make your vehicle look its very best. Check us out at www.extremecarcleaning.com and let's make the magic happen for you and your vehicle. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it, and we hope to see you soon.